Hello dear students, welcome back. Children, in this video we shall start our exercise 5.4. In this exercise we will divide a given dividend by a one-digit divisor. So let's learn how to divide the dividend by a one-digit number. Children, here I have already solved the first question. The question is to divide and find the quotient, that is the answer. First question, 60 to be divided by 3. Here 60 is the dividend, so it is written inside the box, and 3 is the divisor, so it is written out. Now children, there are certain steps to be followed in division. First step, to compare. Children, always keep this thing in mind that division starts from the left side, which means division starts from the highest place. So we'll first compare the digit at the highest place by 3. 6 is greater than 3, so we will recall the table of 3. Yes, 6 comes in the table of 3, so 3 2s are 6 we will write. The next steps include subtraction. Then we will subtract this 6 by 6 and we'll get 0. In the next step, in the third step, we will bring down 0. We will bring down 0. So the 0 comes here. Now we will recall the table of 3 so that we can find that whether these zeros are there in the table of 3 or not. Yes, children, we know that 3 zeros are 0. So these two zeros show that this is 0. So 3 zeros are 0 we have written, and we'll subtract. 0 minus 0 gives us 0. So ultimately our division is completed, and now we have got the question, which is the answer, which is equal to 20. So this was the divisor, this is the dividend, and this is the quotient. So children, in this way we'll divide all other questions. Let's have a look at another example. Okay children, here I have written question number 3, that is 39 to be divided by 3. And I have written 39 in the division box and the divisor outside the box. Now we will divide. There are certain steps I have written on the right side. First we will compare, children. We'll start the division from the leftmost digit, that is the highest digit at the highest place. So here we have ones and tens place, so we'll start the division from tens place. We'll compare this 3, the digit in the dividend, by the divisor. This 3 is equal to 3, which means we can divide 3 by 3. So 3, how many times, children? 3 ones are 3. This is the division process, the second step. Now the third step, now we will subtract. 3 minus 3 gives us 0. Till third step we have done. Now coming to the fourth step. Once we have compared, divided and subtracted the first number, which is at the leftmost place, we will now bring down the next digit. So this 9 will be taken down. 9. Now 9 is ready for division. Now we'll again start from the first step. First we'll compare 9 by 3. 9. We will recall the table of 3, children. Does 9 comes in the table of 3? Yes. 3 3s are 9. So we'll write a 9 here. This was the second step. First step we compared. Second step we divide. We tried to divide here. Third step we will subtract. Now let's subtract. 9 minus 9, children, will get a 0. Now, do we have anything to bring down? Once we have got this 0, do we have anything to bring down? No. So this means that our division is completed. Okay children. So here this is the quotient, this is the divisor, and this is the remainder. Children, there is a way, there is a method by which we can even check our division. Let me write that. Okay children, here we have the relation with the help of which we can check our division, whether we have divided correctly or not, which says dividend is always equal to quotient multiplied by divisor. Here you can also write divisor multiplied by quotient, both will be same. Dividend is always equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. So here we have the dividend 39. Let's check. It must be equal to 39. If our division is correct, then this dividend must be equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Quotient into divisor. Children, 13 multiplied by 3 is 39 plus 0 gives us 39. So this shows that what? This shows that our division is correct. This shows that our division is correct. So hope children this video will be useful for you all. In this way we will divide other numbers also. Thank you for watching.